Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your cabinet's retaining clip. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or broken, causing your washer to vibrate. For this repair, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of channel locks, and a pair of pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. Now we're going to grab a pair of channel locks and we're going to remove the water hoses. Make sure before removing the water hoses that you do turn off the water, and when you take the water hoses off, just keep in mind there might be some water still in the lines. So now we're going to remove our drain hose. We're just going to use a pair of pliers, pinch that clamp in, move it up, and pull the drain hose off. Keep in mind there still might be some water in there, so keep a towel or something handy nearby or a bucket to drain that into. We're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the two screws holding the control panel on the front side. And now we're going to have to remove the other two screws on the back, again with our Phillips head screwdriver. And now that you've got those two screws off, you can remove your control panel. It should just pull right up. Just push forward, pull it right up. I'm going to start by taking off our air pressure hose. We'll remove each of these wires. Right, now we're just going to pinch this clip, pull this one out, and now we'll get our flathead screwdriver and remove the grounding wire. And I'm just going to put the screw back in there so that we remember what hole it was in, just to make everything a little bit easier. Alright, now we just have to remove this. There's clips on both sides. And now we just pinch the clips in and pull the wires out. There we go. Now that all the wires are unhooked, we can set the front control board off to the side. So this is the clip right here that we're going to be removing. So to get it off, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to pull it out, and it pops right off. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement clip. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So to put this on, all we have to do is this little tab right here is going to fit into the slot, and you just push down and it pops right in, and then we can put everything back together. And we'll put this guy right in here. And next we'll put our grounding wire back in. Take this off. And here's our grounding wire. Now we can plug this in right here. And our air pressure switch right back in here. Now we'll sit back up, line up the little tabs here into the slots, and at the same time we also want to make sure that the back panel is underneath the control panel. Okay, now everything's all lined up, and we can screw back the hinges. So now we'll just line the hinges up with the hole and screw it back in. Now we can turn this back around and get our last 2 screws in. Alright, and now we can hook everything back up. We're going to put our drain hose back on. And to do that, we're simply going to squeeze the clamp, move it up a bit. We're going to attach this back to the connection here. And once that's pushed all the way down, we'll get our pliers again. Grab that clamp and wiggle it down. And now we've got a nice secure connection. And now we're going to screw our water hoses back on. Make sure you've got your hot going to your hot and your cold going to your cold. On this model, it's labeled C and H. Once you got that screwed on nice and tight, grab your channel locks and tighten it the rest of the way. And we'll do the same thing for the other one. And then we can turn our washer back around, hook everything back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.